Can you hear me now? Right, we'll start again. This is day 94 of the 365 Gaming Challenge. This is the challenge where we play an unplayed game from my pilot chain every day, and today we are looking at Super Build, which is a sandbox game. It is in early access. And it's not any real aims to this one, apparently. It's just having fun building stuff. So it's Legos. Legos is what it is. This is the main menu. So we don't have much in the way of options here. That's it. Okay. So my world is called Wood. Because of course it is. Yes, let's see the basics. A fence. Hang on, I thought you just built stuff. We're going to get resources. Find wood. Well, there's nothing on this island. I want to build I don't want a fence. Oh, I'm one of those. Yeah, I don't want that anymore. now I want a water tower. What? Oh, this is not very good. Just... No! Get all that stuff off the screen. Why is it no? Oh, just go away. Jesus Christ. That was very annoying. Why is that in the way? Oh, come on. You really need to sort your interface out. No! I just want to delete it. Why can't I define the keys? Settings. Advanced. General. Why can't I define the keys? What an awful UI. Absolutely terrible. If WASD was moving you around before, it should still move you around when you've got an object. No. Why is your game doing that? Why is a right mouse click destroy land? That is absolutely terrible decision. And not to be allowed to redefine the keys to control it. It's just a ridiculous thing. It's a basic game aspect. Alright, let's put them in the water. Why not? You swim. Can we can we put a shark in the water with her? No. You've got all that land and you don't have fish. Got a duck? Let's put a duck in the water. I'm clicking on pots and I'm not seeing anything different. Mounds, rocks, pots are all the same. There's nothing in there, why do you have the options? Oh, come on. This is not like Legos. Legos is easy. The UI on this is awful. Lights. Lights do shine some lighty stuff. So if we turn that this way, is that going to move the thing up? I don't know, because it's not snapping. Yeah, there you go. What is that? That's a pyramid. Oh, it's quite a big pyramid, isn't it? Let's put the pyramid in the water. Pyramids don't sink, apparently. Oh, look. And ducks are able to swim through pyramids. Awesome. Yeah. It should be a right mouse click to allow me to move the camera instead of deleting, because that is just... I can't believe what a crap way of doing delete of the land is, just by doing that. It's just so easy to do that by accident. A ridiculous decision. Blocks. Let's have a block. Nice, we got blocks, awesome. We can make the block go higher. It's really difficult to see. Why don't you just change the cursor colour? You know, it's below it, make it red. How can I tell? See, how can I tell? I can't get the angle right. Just when you threw it, make it go red. How is that difficult? And why does that go off the top there? That's off the edge of the screen, make it go underneath. Guys really need some work on the UI. I mean, why make that move at all? Why can't I toggle that off? Because especially given it moves the camera as well. Got statues. Oh, we can put TNT barrels there, can we? Are they going to blow things up? No. So it doesn't actually do anything. An explosive that doesn't actually do any exploding. Oh, there's a little bridge there. Night mode. Oh. We put a person in there. Let's try and put a person in that. People. Let's put the Queen in there. Get out of that one. Oh, we got a wizard. Oh, we got a king. Let's put a king and a queen in there. Let's see if the king and queen together will make a princess. What the hell? Did I ask you to do that? I think they've got a very limited number of music tracks at the moment. Oh, that just reappeared. He's coming back again with his axe. It looks like the king and queen don't want to know each other. A wizard. Let's have two wizards. Did they battle each other? No, the wizard is just gonna chop stuff down apparently. Alright, well, let's see what they make of a red dragon. They're just gonna ignore it. Go on, breathe fire. What red dragons do. It ain't gonna breathe fire. They're not the only fire breathing. What else have we got on there? Oh, that's just the stuff I've used. We've gone through our barrels. Yeah. We definitely like clipping in this game. Oh. Apparently they all like chopping things. Wizards like chopping things. King likes chopping things. They all like chopping things. We have a fort of the undead. Well, that's build, I guess. It is an early access, but I really hate the UI in this game. I don't like it at all. There's plenty of different shapes to play with. I mean, all these different completed things that you can put down. I was expecting it to be a bit more granular, to be honest, rather than have a lot of prefab stuff. But I mean, I suppose you can kind of build your own stuff. Pathways and bridges and stairs. But you don't have any walls, do you? Why is that behaving differently? All of a sudden this is not behaving in the same way. Inconsistent UI. Got a bucket. Can we make the bucket bigger? Not that much bigger. You make it nearly as big as the people. What? 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 Signs. Lines. Misc. I mean, there's thousands of different things. There's obviously what they've spent the time doing is creating all these different objects. Tire there. Lovely. Flags even. Oh, not the sort of flags I was expecting. Furniture. Yeah, we got furniture. Footballs. Got a sign that's in modern props and not signs. Okay, very good. We've got popcorn, which is massive. Your popcorn's bigger than your tyres. Awesome. Definitely some big popcorn. Donuts, nice. What we got in props? We got an archery thing. Whatever these things are. And a barrel. Is that a watermill? They're animated? No. So none of these things are animated, apart from the animals and things. We got some kind of blocks, I suppose. What is that? Oh, is that some kind of volcano thing? Is that animated? No. Water features. Some sort of castle things. Castle parts. So maybe you could kind of build up a castle with these blocks. Maybe you could do some kind of building with those. make them smaller? Yeah, you can kind of. But I can't scroll. It's not mouse scrolling at the edge of the screen, so you have to go move, move, move if you want to do it. You see, rather than it. I mean, you could kind of construct something, I suppose. But it doesn't snap in, so you can see that I've got that all kinds of all over the place. Well, I don't know what kind of updates they're doing for this game. I didn't look, to be honest, but I'd hope that they are working on the UI side of things. More than enough shapes to keep you going at the moment, so I really need to just work on the interface. As it stands, I really couldn't recommend making a purchase of this one. I don't even know when I bought it now. I don't know where it came from. But that was the 365 day gaming challenge, and that was day 94, and I'll be back again tomorrow with day 95. And that was build. Don't think it was that super. There you go. Have a good evening, and I will see you later.